nagkatalo po muna sa 4x4. Mamaya na yung mga special pag dumating sila kapitan. With your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time to see at last. It's now or never. Come hold it tight. Be mine tonight. Yan po ang presidente naman, senior dito. Dahil senior nang nag-birthday, what do you expect? Senior din ang mga bisita. Malapit na ako mag-senior.